us wise up. Everybody getting sized up. Before we all rise up.
Hello everyone, it's me Admat again. Okay, so today on this tutorial I will be giving you how to do a login page. We'll do that one. That is the first stage of the preparing the project, right? So how to create a login page. So I'll simply take a new project, file, new project, and I will take C#, Windows Forms application. I will give the name as detect sample project. I'm going to click now for the previous one, then I will get the new project here. As you can see in the Solution Explorer, form 1 is there, that is your form number 1. Then I can just increase the size and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to design the login page here. It's very simple way. First I'll change the name here, just select the one. In the properties, change the text. I'll type as login here. And I'm going to add a button for the login button. I'm going to change the text as login, and at the same time I can copy and paste the items, no problem in there. Copy and you can paste it, and you can change the name. I'll say exit, and I'm going to have another label here for the username. Change the text, username, and for the password also I have to use a text box for giving the username. Okay, and I just select both of them by pressing shift and copy and paste it. And I'm going to have the next one is the password. Okay, then I have two things for the password, and also you have to know for the password field there should be a password character. So select the password field here, go and select the password char in the properties window and give a asterisk sign. So then any letter that you're typing, they will give a asterisk sign without giving the letters. Okay, so this is my login page. I can change the colors as well. I'll change the colors here. For the background color I will put white. That is good. And for the start position I will give it in center. Okay, so that is my login page here. So when I start debugging, you can see my page will start like this. In the middle of the page, username and the password. I can type the username and I can type the password. It's already coming in asterisk format. Okay, now we have to create the next page after login page where we need to move. So I need to have another form there. So how to add another form? It's very simple. In a Solution Explorer you can see the solution is there. Inside the solution you have the project. So what we have to do, we just have to right click on the project, go to add, go to new item, and when you go to new item your dialog box will come like this. Select here Windows Form, this one, the Windows Form, and you have to give the name right here without deleting.cs. I will give as main page. This is my main page. I just click OK. Then your main page will come like this. Now you have two tabs for your first form and for your second main page, and you can resize it, and I just keep it like that at the moment. I will do the coding part of this login page and how to move to this main page after it's succeeded. Okay, so it's very simple. I'll first give you the coding for the exit button. So there are so many buttons you can code them like event wisely. That means when you click this button, what will happen? You can just write the coding inside that. When you click on this button, what should happen? You can write the code in that one also. Now I want to write the code for the exit button. The thing is we just have to double click on the button. So double click on the button, exit button. Then I will get the coding like this. This is the code view. On this button click event, I want to write just application.exit. So that is the coding for the exit button. And also I recommend you to comment this edge and everything. So I'll comment, this is the comment in C#.net. I will comment it as this is the exit button. Okay, as you can see now here the button 2 click, like if I go to the next one, button 1 click like there. So without giving like button 1, text box 1, likewise we can give names. So how we can give names is to identify these items uniquely in the code view. So select the text boxes, select the text box, the first username. When you go to the properties window, on top of the properties window you can see the name properties there. So I will give the name here. If it is a text box, we will give the name as txt. I'll give as uname. For the password, I will give as txt pass. And for the login button, I will give, that is a button, so I'll use btn login. So those are the names we give. Okay, now we'll go inside the login part. Now you can see btn login click. Now what we have to do, we have to write the code for the login button. So what we have to get the data what we type in the form. In here we type something, we have to get those data inside the code view. So that is, we use the variables to get those data. You know these variables. String, I'll take un equals txt. Now when you type txt, you can see everything we have named in the GUI can be seen in the suggestions list. So we'll take the username first, text. Same as that, I'll take the password dot text. Right, so I have taken those two. Now from using a if else condition, we are going to check whether this username equals to our username and the password equals to our password. So simply if, start if, close if, and I have the else part as well. Okay, now in the if part, inside the parentheses we have to give the condition what we need. What we need is, we have to have this un equals to, I'll say admin is my username and the password, and p should equals to 1 2 3. If it is equals, I want to display a message, you are okay, success. So I'll display a message box dot show. I'll give as login success. I'll give a smiley face there. If it is not success, in the else part we have to give login not success, and we'll give a sad face. So that is a simple login page. So we'll see when it runs. I'm going to run the program. You can type any username and the password. I'll type the wrong one. When you click on login, it will say login not success. If I type the correct one, admin and 1 2 3, you will get the success message. So after getting the success message, we need to move to the next page. So my next page will be the main page, right? So my main page is there. So very simple, with the name you have to give. So my main page is the next page. So we have to create the object of that main page class. So main page, I'm just giving an object name, like I'll give as obj equals new main page, open and close. So obj dot show. So that is the simple code. That means we are having another class called main page. This is my next form. To call that form, we need to have an object. So main page is the class name, obj is the object name I just have created. You can give any name for that one, new main page. So I'm going to show that one. So now I'll run the program again. I'll type admin and 1 2 3. When you click login, you will get the login success. Once it's okay, you will load the next form here. But you can see the login page also here. So we need to remove the login page and open this one. So how to do it? You can stop the program right here, stop debugging. First we need to hide that, right? So we need to hide that. So first I'll hide this one. Hide code is this dot hide. This is how to hide the program. I'm very sorry, here dot should be there. So Control S for save. Now we'll see what will happen. Start, and we have the admin 1 2 3. Click on login button. It will hide and it will give the login success. When you click OK, you will get the next page. So likewise, you can just navigate through your software by creating objects of the next class. So that's all about this tutorial. So we'll meet you on the next tutorial. Will be the coding of creating databases and everything.
My crew is all fired up. Y'all better rise up. Everybody getting sized up.